clip now, let's talk about our sugar, our egg, and our either butter or margarine. In this case, I used margarine. So we used 1/3 cup of margarine. I took it and I put it into this container, and to make it easy, you want to have melted butter or margarine. So I always put it in the microwave, and we get, of course, melted mixture. So we're going to put that in with our bananas that we previously mashed in the earlier clip. Then we want 3/4 cup of sugar. Now, what I always recommend, it depends how sweet you actually want your muffins. I never usually actually use 3/4 cup. I always get the actual measuring cup itself and put in just a little bit less. I never find you need actually 3/4. So it's whatever you like, how sweet you like it. So we'll put that in as well. And then we just need 1 egg. So we're going to take the egg, and we just want to beat the egg slightly. So it's slightly mixed up before we put it in with everything else. So we'll just give that just a little bit of a beating here. And then we'll combine that egg in with our banana, our sugar, and our butter. And then what we want to do is stir that up, of course. So we'll stir this mixture up. And then coming up in the next clip, we'll talk about our dry ingredients and combining those.